Well, focus would be on Kotak Mahindra Bank. The results are expected on 3rd of May, Monday, and ET poll rather expects profits at the standalone level to be at 1900 crore, which is a jump of close to around 50% on a YOY basis. Net interest income is seen to grow at a healthy pace of 17%, and a similar rate of growth is seen even in terms of the operating profits. Margins are likely to remain largely stable on a sequential basis, anywhere around 4.4 to 4.5%. We should still be seeing the overall lower cost of funds, as well as a strong CASA should be supporting the overall net interest income, because overall the loan growth is likely, although the loan growth is likely to pick up on a sequential basis, it is still to be slightly subdued. The deposit franchisee for Kotak Mahindra Bank continues to remain strong, and we should of course be watching out for the overall performance on the asset quality. In terms of the provisions, expect the provisions to continue to remain elevated. However, the Q4 GNPA ratio is likely to remain largely stable versus the Q3 proforma GNPA ratio. In Q3, management had stated the proforma GNPA stood at 3.27%. So more or less, we should be seeing the Q4 GNPA ratio also around these lines. And also, we should be watching out for the management commentary in terms of the impact of the COVID second wave on the entire NPA as well as the growth outlook. Bank management commentary rather in terms of the SMEs book, unsecured book, as well as the recast assets would be important, along with the commentary on the CV cycle. Performance of the subsidiaries is likely to remain fairly good, especially the capital market related business, and also the insurance business is likely to do well. So watch out for the consolidated performance here as well. Besides that, of course, the entire commentary in terms of the recent RBI circular on capping the promoter MD CEO tenure to 12 years would be fairly important, because according to a recent note by Macquarie, they did mention that this is a negative development for Kotak Mahindra Bank, as Mr. Uday Kotak, the promoter MD and CEO, just got reappointed on 1st of January 2021 for a period of 3 years, and according to Macquarie, his tenure would now end on 1st of Jan 2024. So the entire commentary, especially in terms of the succession planning, would be important, because the next in line as well may probably be uneligible or not eligible to become an MD CEO, which is Mr. Deepak Gupta, as he may not be able to succeed